In this video, I will be showing you how to upload a font to Canva. Let's get started. We begin on the main Canva homepage, where all of your workspace tools and recent projects are displayed. To upload and manage your own custom typography, we need to head over to the Brand section. On the left side navigation menu, I move my mouse cursor over and click on Brand. This action takes us directly into the main Brand Kit area, where you can customize and organize your visual brand identity elements, including brand templates, logos, color palettes, brand voice, and custom fonts. Once the Brand Kit interface fully loads on screen, you will see a detailed list of brand asset categories on the left panel. I scroll down slightly and click on Fonts to open up the typography workspace. Here, you can review all the standard text styles configured for your brand kit, such as title, subtitle, heading, subheading, section header, body, and quote. To add a new font file to this collection, I navigate my cursor toward the upper right section of the Fonts workspace. Located right next to the Options menu, I click on the plus button. This opens up a small drop-down menu with a few options. From these choices, I select the second option labeled Upload a Font. A modal window titled Uploaded Fonts will now pop up on screen. I click on the white Choose Files button in the center of the window. This opens up my computer's local file explorer, allowing me to browse my files and select the font I wish to upload. I click to highlight my font file, and then I click the Open button in the bottom right corner of the File dialog window. Canva will now display a confirmation pop-up message asking you to verify that you own the font or have the required licensing rights to use it. I click on the purple Confirm and Upload button to proceed. A progress window labeled Uploading Files will appear, displaying a progress bar while Canva uploads and converts your file into your account. Once the file processing completes, your newly uploaded font will appear inside the Uploaded Fonts list, along with a clear visual preview of the text style. You can now access and apply this custom font across all of your Canva design projects and brand templates. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to upload a font to Canva.